to my tutorial. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change your date and timing on Windows 10. So guys, as you can see over here on the clock, you have to right click and go for advanced option. And also another method to go to this option is go to your search and you can type date and time over here. You can just open this one, it will redirect to this same page. And as you can see over here, the first thing is like set time automatically. If you will turn this off, it will change your time automatically. And if you are turning this on, it will change your date and time automatically if this is off. And over here set date and time manually. You can click over here change. You can see over here date, month and year, timing, and you have to click over here change. My time is proper over here right now, so I will cancel this. And what we see over here, you can see your result over here. What is today? Friday 5, and all the things you can see over here after you change your date and timings. So guys, I hope you understood and this video was helpful for you. If it was, so please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe, share with your family and friends, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Peace out, bye friends.